Hi everyone, welcome back. I am so happy that you are here. Friends, today we will propagate three succulents. They are Kalanchoe, Jade and Crassula ovata. All these three succulents are low maintenance plants. And the best thing about these plants is that we can keep on making many plants out of one. Let's see how we can propagate these plants. First of all, we will take up Kalanchoe. I had brought just one very small plant of Kalanchoe from my sister's home and see how nicely it is growing. In this small pot, I can now find 4 to 5 plants. See, this small succulent is growing here too, and soon it will also grow bigger and will show its presence prominently. This succulent is very popular because of its attractive flowers. And this leaf, it's being drying and rotting a bit. We can even use this also to grow a proper succulent. Since the spring is over, these flowers will also go away in a short time and we can get a new plant growing from here too. Now I'll cut a stem of it with a pair of scissors. I have already dug a hole in this pot where I wish to replant it. I'll clear its stem for at least 2 inches from all the leaves, plucking them with the hand, and will place it inside the pot. I'll then secure it with both my hands. Will bind it with the soil and then I'll water it very little. Now I'll not water it for another 2 days. Since it's a succulent, it doesn't require much water. I'll get another plant from the stem which I had cut. I'll also put the leaves which I had separated from the stem in the soil and hope to get new plants from them. This is the leaf which I showed you, the half part of which has been dried. I'll cut the spoiled part with a pair of scissors and will again put it like this in the soil. As soon as they start growing, I'll update you about this. And now I'll propagate this jade plant. This is a popular house plant with attractive leaves and is best for sunny windows. You can see its leaves which resemble like coins. So it is also called dollar plant. The 3 small pots with jade plant which you can see here have also been propagated from the big one you see here. It is also very easy to propagate. I'll cut 3 small stems. You have to make it sure that the stems have become brown and are not green. I'll pluck the leaves from the stems to clear these so that I can dig these in the soil. I'll make some holes and then secure them in the soil, giving a little pressure with both my hands and then give it a little water. And now comes the turn of Crassula ovata. This is also known as dwarf jade plant, an easy to grow and very attractive house plant. The tiny succulents you can see here and here and here have also been propagated from leaves only. I'll propagate these also in the same way I did jade plant, cutting its stem somewhere from here and fixing it in a tiny pot. Friends, I have propagated all the 3 succulents. They look beautiful, aren't they? You also can grow and propagate these succulents and in place of other materialistic things can gift these to your loved ones. Friends, that was all for today. I hope you like this. See you soon. Till then, take care of yourselves.